Now I can edit the variable pull direction draft by simply clicking on edit definition. Under the reference, I have two sets right now, set 1 and set 2. I can select the set 1 and click under the angles, the right click. After clicking the right click, you can see I have another angle over here which can be altered or varied. So this is quite similar to the previous discussion where we were pressing the right click over here and we were adding the angle. So here we can do the same thing. I have added the right angle. I have pressed the right click and added another angle, and I can alter the distance. 0.5 means it is exactly in the half, and I can change it to 0.25 or 0.75, or I can change it to 0.60. It totally depends on our application and need. Then I can alter the angle as per the requirement. So this is the add angle feature in the variable pull draft. Let us move forward.